Imagine leaving a classroom or home with the windows open and suddenly heavy rain starts. Rainwater can enter the room and damage furniture, electrical appliances, documents, and laboratory equipment. This situation often happens because users forget to close windows or are not present when rain occurs. Manual checking is unreliable, especially in schools, campuses, and offices. Therefore, an automated rain detection system is needed to provide early warnings and prevent damage. Our smart rain detection system helps users by detecting rainfall automatically and sending real-time alerts. Once rain is detected, users receive notifications through a cloud dashboard, allowing them to take immediate action. This system is suitable for classrooms, laboratories, homes, and offices. Early rain detection can prevent property damage. The solution is low cost, easy to install, and practical for real-life use. This project was developed collaboratively by all group members. Each member participated in different stages of the project, including system design, walkway simulation, coding, testing, and documentation. The following are our group members who contributed to the successful development of this project.
Today I would like to demonstrate our project, which is rain detection system. In our rain detection system, we have humidity sensor and temperature sensor, including rain sensor. Rain sensor are not displayed here because it calculates the value of voltage, not the value of the rain itself. So we don't put it here because in end user view, it would not make sense for them. Now, as for the testing, first we have the temperature and humidity sensor itself. The temperature, and this is it, check the temperature live. For example, if I put it on the ice pack, the temperature should drop. Next, we have humidity sensor. For humidity sensor, since we don't have humidifier, I will use my own breath to simulate humidity. And then we go, the sensor detected and send a notification. It's a notification. As you can see, 98% humidity and 29.3 degrees Celsius temperature. This is, based on our research, is the most likely criteria for a possible rain. And then next, we can detect the rain itself. First, we're going to use the water from the ice pack itself to simulate raining. So for example, we have a drop of water here. And then it detects rain. And it will say here it's raining. So this is the last warning telling people that it will be rain. After a while we'll go to normal if there is no rain persist, even though the sensor itself is still wet, but because there is no longer continuation of water, it will no longer detect it as a rain.